Alright. Well, I don't know if you need vodka. You're a little bit young for that. How about some whiskey? Hard whiskey. Jack Daniels. You want Jack Daniels? Rocket ship, Jerry! Rocket ship! The fly! No, you can't go with, Jerry. You can't go with. Also, for some reason, my jaw hurts pretty bad today. I don't know why. It hurts bad again. I told Allie not to get ready because she doesn't. I told her not to get ready because we have to leave, and guess who's getting ready? What did I tell you? We have to.
You told me that.
No, I told you that. No, I told you
that you were gonna clean your car.
I told you, Allie, that you didn't need to do your makeup because you weren't going in anywhere. I just need you to follow me. No, it's just you being a girl. It's you being stupid. You don't have to. You already look great. She is right, though. I did say I'm going to clean my car. My car is not the cleanest, and I want it to be at least decently clean when they go through it, so. Dirty car. Okay, so, car's still dirty. We're going somewhere to clean it. It's rumbling, and I have a candle because it was kind of smelly in here. Oh, Brendan, you need to start adulting. Okay, so we're at the repair shop. I don't want to tell you guys which one because you guys will find my car and destroy it, so yeah. Well, the car is now at the repair shop, Allie, and I don't have a car.
No, not for a little while.
They said at least a month.
No, they didn't.
They said a month. Why do you have a candle? What the hell's wrong with you? Dude, copyright music, dude.
You weren't in here until just now.
Well, doesn't mean you gotta copyright everything. I don't know where the fuck we're going, Allie.
Honestly, neither do I.
You're just driving. I said you want to give food. We're on some back road we've never been on before. It's not a thing. Oh no. My poor car. To be honest, I think when they like take the car for a little test drive to figure out what's wrong with it, they're probably gonna say like, holy shit, this guy shouldn't own a car, because it's probably that bad. Like, it's bad. Ooh, look at all the food, Allie. Ooh, food, Allie. I'm getting her food today. Well, good choice, Allie. Good choice. Well, we just went to. What are you lying about? What?
Nice man in a suit. You're checking out girls, so I'm gonna.
Oh, you're checking out your
nice man in the suit.
Oh, you're checking out the fucking loser Edward Jones investment guys. You know those guys don't invest like for shit, right? That guy is.
You were.
But those girls were hot.
And he was hot.
No, dude, he's a nobody. He was an absolute nobody. To be honest, he was a nobody. He's not a real trader.
Those girls were nobodies.
There's no such thing as a nobody girl, Allie.
I hate you so much.
Well, you're like, I'm gonna check out a guy in a suit to upset me.
You checked out 3 girls.
Yeah, but it doesn't.
You did it.
It doesn't
purposely to upset me. So I was like, you know what? There's a hot guy in a
Allie,
suit over there.
I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you this. I'm gonna tell you this.
Oh look, there's a girl right there. You want to check her out too?
So apparently, we are at. Allie, you don't drink tea or coffee. We're passing old Betsy again. Poor old Betsy, but I think I might be next for inspection. I don't know. Poor old Betsy. Hi, Peggy. Hi, Betty. You guys want to help me? Oh, Jerry. Hi, buddy. You're still at the door, I see. Jerry, do you want to help me go let the chickens out, huh? Let's go. Come on. Let's go let the chickens out, Jerry. What the fuck kind of poop is that? Ew, I just drooled. That is not supposed to come out of you. Ew. The chickens are like literally dying to come out. If you look at them, they're like, let us out. Let us out. Let us out. Hey, come on. You ready? Come on. All right, let's go. Out. 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 Good chickens. Hi, Savage. Why do you have to eat the grass seed right away? Let's see if they laid chicken eggs. Huh. No eggs today. It's interesting. They lay eggs every day, but not today. And, oh, this is going to have to be cleaned out because apparently this leaks. I don't know where the leak's at, but it's leaking pretty bad. Oh. It's leaking right there. We're gonna have to put, there's some caulking right here. We're gonna have to put some like Gorilla Tape over that. Where are you going? Little gangsters, and we have 2 more of them. What I mean for 2 more of them is my sister got 2 more of them for her birthday. They're baby chicks and they're downstairs. You guys only caught a glimpse of them the other day. Oh, Jerry! Hello, baby chickens. Hi! Hi! You're so cute! Hi! Hello. I'm gonna name you Taco Bell and you Rodrigo. Hello, Rodrigo. Come on, Rooster Boy. We're going to get ourselves some pizza. Okay, hide in my pocket. Don't let Allie know that you're with me. Yep, just get in there. Get in there and hide. Little baby. Yep, okay. Wait right there. Be quiet about it. Be quiet about it. Okay, so Allie disappeared. Like, I have no idea where. I thought she'd be in the car, but nope. I guess it's just you and me today, Mr. Kyle. Let's just keep it low key. You are so beautiful. Wait, Allie's coming. So keep quiet. Go into the drawer. Go in the door's full. Here. Go right down in there. Go down in there.
Why is there a chicken in there?
His name is Bill. Come here, Bill. Bill's going to get pizza with us. Right, Bill? Bill, I'm going to show you the world. No AC. Bill's a baby. He doesn't need cold air. I will sweat for him. Okay, Bill, here we go for your first car ride. Don't touch him. He's a celebrity in the making. Ah! No. You want to help me buy alcohol? Yeah. Okay, so the real reason why he's going with me is I'm buying him alcohol. I'm his plug. So you don't get any. It's for him. All right, yeah, I know. You're having a party with a bunch of other celebrity chicks, and you need someone to get you booze. I got you, bro. All right. Well, I don't know if you need vodka. You're a little bit young for that. How about some whiskey, hard whiskey? Jack Daniels. You want Jack Daniels? Yeah. UPS truck. Okay, hey. You go stand right there. Look at all that. You don't need to run back to mommy. Look how cool that is, huh? You can see the entire world from up there. Yeah. Look at all them trees. Look at all them chickens. Are you getting scared? Hey, don't worry. I know GMCs are a shit product. You don't have to run to me. Okay, I got you, baby. You're with Dad now. Here, get on my shoe. Whoa! Hey, here's a life lesson. You see all those turkeys that just crossed the road and stopped traffic? Do not be like the turkeys. You hear me? Do not be like the turkeys. Hey, not like the turkeys. Oh, a little cup of the chicken with the purple on the leg. One small step for man, one large leap for Chickandy. Meet Kyle. This is Kyle. He's my chicken. Here you go. I got noticed.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got noticed. Hi, Christian Bale. Come here, Christian. Christian, let's go, baby. Come on. Yep, you get on top of camera. Okay, I carry alcohol. You stand on camera. Do not fall.